Welcome to my car and train channel. Today I want to show you how to resolve the issue of dust on a scale model railway layout. I think that dust is a killer because it's going to make your entire layout, including the rolling stock and the scenery, very dull. How have I resolved that? By using a shrink wrap transparent foil, and there is a link below the video to an affiliate site where you can order similar products. So how did I put the foil on top of the layout? Very easy. I built a very light frame in aluminum, and you can see here the corner. So the corner, the feet, they are stuck in a small piece of wood so that they don't slide. You can see I put them in a small hole. Let me show you better. Yeah, in a small hole so that it's very stable. And there are multiple ways for me to use the protection. So first, to finish with building, you can see the rectangular size of the aluminum. It's corner aluminum, about 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. I have the transverse so that I am building the frame. If you have a bigger layout, I would recommend that you put one in the middle. So I have only 2 sides at each extremity, but you could increase the length by putting 1 or even 2 in the middle to reinforce the structure. And then you shrink wrap it. This one is 40 inches from here to here. And then I'm going to speak about the sides. The sides are very important. You are going to see why. So I have about 10 and 10. So it's a 60-inch wide shrinking film that has been applied. You can see the effect of shrinking with the heat gun, whereas the frame is slightly bent inwards. It's the reason why I would not recommend to have a longer dimension without reinforcement in the middle. Now let's speak about the sides. Why do I have the sides? Again, to avoid dust to go to the layout. So if I want to access to the layout, I just lift the sides or one side, and I have full access to the entire layout to do whatever I want. And I have that on all 4 sides of this cover. So now I can play with my train. If I just want to play 1 or 2 minutes, I leave the cover there. And here we go. I can enjoy my train. I can run any operations that I want. That's for a quick one. And as you can see, I can still grab something or move around with the cover on. But now, if I want a better experience and I want really to enjoy the layout, what I do is that I'm going to lift the cover. I lift the cover and you are going to see. It's that easy. Why? Because it's weighing only about 2 pounds total. So you need to find a place where you can put it next to your layout. For me, it's above the bathtub. So here we go, and excuse me, there is a little bit of clutter. So you can see I have it here. And then I am back to my track. And now I can enjoy my train layout without any dust, without any dull, after so many years that it has been installed, and have a very good experience. And I've not played with the track for months, but you can see the fact that it's completely protected from the dust. It's working very well immediately. If you have any questions about the technique or the products, please ask them through the comment section. And perhaps I want to do one last thing, is to show you some of the details of the construction. So let me show you, especially that corner here, how it has been installed. So I have a small tube, aluminum tube, and then here there is a corner bracket, and then the side one, and it's all bolted. It took me about a day to build all that, and of course custom made. I think that total in material there is for about $20, so about 20 euros as well, of construction material. Plus the price of the film. I built that about 10 years ago, so I don't remember. The film may have been the most expensive item of the entire construction, entire equipment. Again, any questions, please ask them through the comment section. I am happy to help and answer any questions.